Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this error, voice chat error with this error code 10007, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Overwatch easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out any VPNs if you have them running. So any VPN you have on, just turn them off. If you have NVIDIA's Shadow Play or AMD Radeon's Relive turned on, just turn that off as well. And after you've done both of those things off, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write CMD here, right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes, and then you're going to paste these 6 commands on here. I'm going to put all of these commands into the description. So you're going to paste this one first. After that, you're going to paste this second one, and then this, and lastly that. After you're done with all of those commands, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and now you can go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Overwatch, you'll see that your voice chat will work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.